Yes students, today in my video tutorial I am telling you regarding Roman numerals. Yes, Roman numerals are very important part of maths, and these are the special symbols that stand for the numbers. These were firstly used by the Romans. In the present time we can also see these Roman numerals. These are used in analog clocks and watches. Yes, and in TV programs you can see the Roman numerals. So today I will explain you regarding Roman numerals, that how we can write Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numerals and Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Yes, basically there are 7 symbols for Roman numerals. Yes, and there is no symbol for 0. Interesting thing is that there is no symbol for 0 and no place value concept. No place value concept in the Roman numerals. Yes, the basic 7 symbols which are used in Roman numerals to write the numbers, these are, firstly this is I, then this is V, then after that X, after that L, then C, D and M. Yes, here I stand for 1 and V stand for 5, X stands for 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. Yes, now beta, there are some rules to write the Roman numerals into her Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. Yes, so here I am going to explain you some rules. By keeping those rules in mind, you can write the Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numbers easily without any mistake or without any confusion. Yes, the first rule for the Roman numeral is that from these 7 symbols, these are the 7 symbols, from these 7 symbols, here is V, L and D. V, L and D, these are never repeated. These are written only once. V, L and D, these are never repeated, means these are used only one time. Yes, now these are total 7. From these 3, these are never repeated, and others I, X, C and M, these 4 left, these can be repeated. So we will write I, X, C and M, these can be repeated. Means repeated means we can write these 2 times or 3 times. Yes, in Roman numeral this is a rule that only up to maximum 3 times we can repeat a symbol. As I told you, I, X, C and M can be repeated, but there is a limit to repeat these up to 3 times only. After 3 times we cannot repeat these. If I am writing here X, it means 10. If I am repeating X, it means 20. If it is written 3 times, then there is 30. And if I am writing it 4 times, then it is wrong. There is no value of this because we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. Yes. After that, if we are writing a Roman numeral, the rule number 2 is that if we are writing a Roman numeral, yes, for example, I am writing VI. You can see here V's right hand side, V's right hand side is I. Yes, so V means 5 and I means 1, so these both will be added. This is 6. If I am writing 10 and 1, yes, so these both will be added, means 10 plus 1, these are 11. Yes, if I am writing XV, so V is on the right hand side of X, so these both will be added. 10 plus 5, these means it is 15. Yes, if I am writing C and C, yes, So it is repeated 2 times, it means this is 200. This is 200. If I am writing LX, L means 50 and X is on the right hand side of L, so these both will be added. 50 plus 10, 60. Yes. Now the next rule is that if a smaller number is written on the left hand side, as this is 5 and on the left hand side of 5 I is written, means 1 is written, then these both will be subtracted. It means this is 4. If I am writing XL, so here it is 50 and it is 10. 10 is written on the left hand side, so these both will be subtracted, means 50 minus 10, so it is 40. This is 40. Yes. If I am writing XC, the smaller number is on the left hand side, so these both will be subtracted. C means 100 and X means 10, so these both will be subtracted. 100 minus 10, this is 90. So XC means this is 90. Yes. Now the next rule is that when a smaller number is written, see here this number carefully. This means 10, V means 5 and here it is 1. Now here if a smaller number is written in between of two bigger numbers, yes, means 1 is smaller than 10 and 5, so we can say 10 and 5 are bigger than 1. So here smaller number will be subtracted from its right hand side number. Smaller number will be subtracted from its right hand side number, means this will be 10 plus, and these both will be subtracted, 5 minus 1. So this is 10 plus 4, this is 14. So XIV, it is 14. If it is L X I X, L means 50. On the right hand side of this it is 10, so these both will be added. But now in this case you can see in the bigger numbers between is the smaller number. Yes, दो बड़े नंबर्स के बीच में एक स्मॉलर नंबर है, तो ये वाला स्मॉलर नंबर जो है अपने राइट हैंड साइड वाले में से माइनस हो जाएगा. Yes, तो this right hand side is 10, so these both will be subtracted. Yes, so 10 minus 1, this is 9, so it is 69. LX 1x, LX IX means this is 69. Yes, so following these rules you may write all the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. Yes. If one more example you can see, CXIV. C means 100 and here you can see between the two bigger number one smaller number is there. So here the smaller will be subtracted from its right hand side number. Yes. So X means 10 and these both will be subtracted. 5 minus 1, it means these both are 4. So 100 plus 10 plus 4, this is 114. This is 114. Yes. Now we will do some examples relating to write Roman numerals for the Hindu Arabic numerals. Yes, as one question is there that 129. So first of all we will write the expanded form of 129. This is 100 plus 20 plus 9. Yes, for 100 symbol is C. For 20, now you can see this is added. तो C के right hand side, क्योंकि किसी भी Roman numeral के right hand side whatever the symbol is there, the means those are added. So for 20 we will write double X on the right hand side of C, and for 9 what is the symbol? IX. So this is 129. Yes. If we have to write 850, the expanded form is 800 plus 50 plus 0. So for 0 there is no Roman numeral. For 800 what we will write? We will take the help of 500, that is D. 500 600, 700, 800. So this is 800. Yes, plus 50. For 50 we are using the symbol L. We are writing on right hand side because these all are added. So D, triple C and L. It means 850. For 0 there is no symbol, so we will not write any symbol. Yes, one more question. 282. Expanded form is 200 plus 80 and plus 2. For 200, double C. For 80, 50, 60, 70, 80. And for 2, I and I. So 200, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 2. This is 282 because all these are on right hand side and these are being added. Okay. Now the next concept is convert Hindu Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Sorry, write Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Yes. For example, we are having L double X V. L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10 and this means 5. So all these will be added because these are on the right hand side. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So this is 75. We will write it 75. Yes, if there is X, C, V, I. Now you can see on the bigger number left hand side is a smaller number. So these both will be subtracted. 100 minus 10. So XC means 90. 100 minus 10, this is 90. And V for 5, and on the right hand side of 1 is there, on right hand side of V 1 is there, I is there. So this is 1. This will be added. So this is 96. Yes, if there is X, C, I, X. Now see XC. XC means 90. Because X is written on the left hand side, this will be subtracted. And 1X, it means 9. This is on the right hand side, so these both will be added. So this is 99. And if there is, we are having XXIX. So this X means 10. Now you can see in these both bigger numbers, in between there is a smaller number. So this smaller number will be subtracted from this. So here it is 10. So 10 this will be added and these both will be subtracted. It is 9. So answer is 29. Hope you have understood this concept. Do the practice. Keep on the practice. You will be more expert in this. Thanks and have a beautiful day.